Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's look into some interesting facts.
Your foot is exactly as long as the distance from your wrist to the crook of your elbow. In 1915, a woman arrived late at her sister's funeral. When she arrived, she demanded that her sister's coffin be raised so that she could see her for one last time. On opening the coffin, her sister, Essie Dunberg, sat up and smiled. She went on to live another 47 years. In ancient Egypt, wealthy Egyptians would sleep with neck supports instead of pillows to preserve their hairstyle and keep looking fresh. Google believes sleep loss can seriously damage your health. It has installed sleep pods in its office for staff requiring a nap. The world's smallest Bible can fit on the tip of a pen. Scientists etched the 1.2 million letter of the Old Testament tiny silicon disc, which they called the Nano Bible. Normally, a mouse wheel scroll goes vertically up and down, but anyone know it moves left and right too? If you hold the shift key and scroll the wheel, it goes horizontally. There is a building in London that reflects the sun so perfectly it literally melts cars. Two psychologists in 1930s adopt a baby chimp and tried to raise her alongside with their own baby boy to see if this caused the chimp to learn human behavior. After 9 months, they stopped the experiment because their son started behaving more like a chimp. A 17-year-old boy from Mexico City, Julio Maxis, died after his girlfriend gave him a love bite. The suction resulted in a blood clot which traveled to the brain, causing a stroke. This is a historical photograph showing students, nurses absorbing surgery in 1950s. This photograph is the reason why Operation Room was and still called as an operation theatre. Ferrari owns the largest indoor theme park in Abu Dhabi. Their roller coaster, the Rosa, is the world's fastest, with it reaching 149 mph in only 4.9 seconds. In Pennsylvania, a man can't buy alcohol without the written permission of his wife. These aren't from the set of Avatar or Star Trek. These are the 20 feet tall, bizarre prehistoric plants known as giant ground cells found on the top of the mountain of Kilimanjaro in Africa. A 7-year-old Indian boy complaining of jaw pain was treated in the local hospital and found to have 526 teeth inside his mouth. This is carpet alarm clock, and it forces you to get up and stand on it to turn it off. In Finland, temperature gets as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius in winter. The trees are covered in so much of snow and frost that it looks like landscape from another planet. The earthy smell produced when rain hits the ground is called petrichor. The color which we see when we close our eyes is called Igangru, which is little different from black. A woman tried to commit suicide by jumping off the Empire State Building. She jumped from the 86th floor building but blown back onto the 85th floor by the gust of a wind. ATM pins were originally intended to have 6 digits but have 4 because the inventor's wife said she could only remember that many. A New York-based woman who was looking to book an Uber to airport found that the Uber helicopter was the cheapest option. A Brazilian police officer was saved when Nokia Lumia 520 in his back pocket stopped a bullet fired on him.
We will be back with more interesting facts. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Also do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.